This is good. From New York to San Diego. What I want to do is, as Ron mentioned, that we talked about our vision of Print 2.0 last year. What we want to show you by segment how we are executing that vision. Because it's very important for us to really talk about clear proof points by segment so that you could see the opportunity that we have in front of us. Now, clearly, it's a tough market. So I don't want to tell you that everything is rosy. But in my mind, in tough market, the brand becomes very important. In tough market, innovation becomes very, very important. In tough market, customers have only very few dollars to spend, and they're going to focus on who will create value for them, for the customers. That's the reason, even in tough market, we are very excited. And that's what I want to talk about, in a different way. We are not in printing business. We are in content consumption business. We absolutely believe that the transformation that is happening in how content is created, distributed, and consumed, we want to be part of that. But we want to make sure that every single step of that, we participate and really make a value for our customers so they can communicate that content very effectively. And that's what the business we are in. Consumers are becoming the producers of the content. We talked about this, the ecosystem idea, where customer can really create that content and then they could print it in the home, with a retailer, or with a print service provider. We want to give that empowerment.
You talk about opportunity. Can you imagine MTV now is in 161 countries. We reach 560 million households. Taking the connections that we've had with young adults for over 25 years and marry them with your technology and create these seminal moments where young adults can hit print. It's an incredible opportunity. We're really looking forward to it.
What?
Good morning, thank you. I just wanted to say how excited we are for this partnership. I think it's really a landmark deal for a lot of different reasons. I mean, we've talked about it, you've talked about it all morning, about the user being the publisher, the editor, and the curator of content. You know, MySpace from the very beginning.
So as you look at how we're going to be and what we'll be emphasizing into the future, you're going to see a lot of new sleek designs coming. This is really the first step for us. And this will become important because of the need to be disconnected message. And you actually see from the packaging, this up here, this is actually a PetSmart PC packaging. You'll see all our packaging lining up. So you'll see this emphasis around innovation and alignment together. And ultimately that shows up in the retail store as an HP experience. In many cases, a store within a store, in emerging markets I'll talk about in a moment, actually an HP store, where you can bring all this together, the PCs, the notebooks, the printers, and that experience allow customers to see what they can do and really see how HP can work better together. What are your print projects? Now we'll have a creative studio for consumers, we'll have a creative studio solution for businesses. Now let me kind of explain a little bit about this, and you can kind of see a bit about it. You can go there. Now this
actually announcing today XP 2300. So again, we're rolling over, we're expanding our portfolio, especially to support high growth opportunities that we see in the market. Okay, and let me close with our overall value proposition, our customer promise.
Dice no está capacitado para poder imprimir eso.
Voy a buscar a las chicas ahora.
My policy not to run over curves.
professional looking, larger photos as well there. It's got the CGD there, so it's very easy to use, very intuitive. The built-in automatic photo tray as well. All of our PhotoSmart products also have the memory card slots, so you can do everything standalone there if you prefer, or also connect them to a PC. Really easy to use. One of the things that's really nice about this product here is the touch screen that we have here. So I have a memory card in here with some different photos that were taken around the room here today. You can very quickly and easily just kind of take a look at some of the photos. You can view and print, select a photo. You can even go through and edit the photo, do things like cropping, zoom in, things like that, all right there within the CGD, and then print those as you like. So it makes it very simple and easy to use. Just announced this one yesterday. It's a very compact, easy to use, all-in-one product. Has optional 6-color ink, so you get the same great quality photos. Also has the CGD here, which helps to make it very quick and easy to navigate. And the product, you'll notice, is visually aligned with HP's laptops, so it's a nice flavor of the product here. We also have a white version. Here we have another appliance printer. This actually is the largest CGD screen for any appliance printer in the market. This one's particularly nice because it has 300 different ways you can edit or manipulate your pictures. You can also take the stylus and scribble messages on the photo and print those out directly from the product there as well. Is another HP all-in-one product. This is a great product for doing some creative things. Again, we have the automatic photo tray. We also have the built-in CD, DVD printing. I should have mentioned actually the single function around the corner also has the CD, DVD printing to the disc using this product here. So it's very good quality and very professional looking as well with our Bluetooth dongle. And so it enables you to just very quickly and easily connect with a phone, maybe print out those pictures that you've been storing and not quite sure what to do with, probably haven't downloaded them, but very easily connect with a phone and print them directly from the wireless or Bluetooth using
desktop form factor, an 850 sheet feeder. It's about 30 pages per minute. That's for both mono and color. And one of the things that you'll notice, and you've seen hopefully consistently across all of our multifunction devices, that we now have a consistent user interface. And one of the things that we continue to hear from customers is we want to move to MFPs. We like the idea of having these smaller printer-based alternatives to digital copiers, but we want to have a consistent and easy user experience. We can't have people walking up with all different buttons and a completely different user interface. And
traction and reactions, especially over in Europe and other places where footprint and labor costs are high.
Do they use the receipt? Do they go to the cash register and pay that way?
Yeah, so you can set it up in different ways. You can have it.
Welcome everyone. I'm Darren Podropsky. I'm the Global Marketing Manager for Halo. It's nice to meet all of you. Across the table from you, seemingly in the same room, but not really, is Ross Camp, who's the Marcom Manager for Halo, and he is in Cupertino. What we're showing you today, I don't know how many of you are familiar with the Halo telepresence solutions that we market today. On what we've been offering since about December of 2005, a version called the Halo Collaboration Studio, which is a full build-out, room with three screen seats, 6 to 12 people. This is a smaller version of that called the Halo Collaboration Center, which we introduced in March of this year. And it's designed for small teams or even individuals, right? There's a 4-seater version, which you're sitting in, and a 2-seater version.